Hello ladies and gentlemen, for today's video we have prepared a small description of how to descramble, how to decrypt channels and streams and content from operators if you have a CI conditional access module from your operator. So this video is mainly dedicated to the people who is small operator, restreamer from operator with licensing and CI offered and given by the main operator for rebroadcasters and things like this. So for today I'm going to show you how to use the TBS6900 with two CI slots for the two conditional access modules for descrambling channels in Kylone operating system, broadcasting system. So pretty much it's very easy. You can go right here in the tuner cards area. For this example, for this purpose, we have prepared a machine with two TBS6200 DVB cards and one 6900 CI only, CI standalone cards. So to set up the channels, the scrambling, you have to go to the tuner cards, CI cards, and as you can see here there is the TBS6900 dual CI standalone cards. Each of them is populated and inserted with the conditional access module from Conax. It's some local operator scrambling system. So in this scenario, what you have to do is click on the tuner cards, click on the CI cards, select the first CI, edit it, and all you have to do is just to select from the drop down list from here and push this small arrow, green arrow, to add the channel. For example, let's say we take one scramble channel like Cinemax and click on the green arrow, and you can see them here in this area. I already added one channel here for example purposes, but you can add up to 8 depending on the capability of your CI operator cam. Some CI operator cam have only one the scrambling process. Some other have multiple, such as 11, 12, 16. So for this purpose I already added, yeah, as you can see here is already added. You have to save, you just hit OK. You can add on the second one from different tuners, for example, because the CI 6900 it's a standalone CI, so basically you can add even from outside, I mean outside your machine, the current machine where it's working with network. So you can as well edit and add here the channel which you need to be descrambled, save. After you've saved, you have to go to the commit and press restart streaming engine and press the commit. Once the commit is done, it takes by around 2 minutes, maybe 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, depending on the capacity of your server and speed of your server. And you can see the cam right here in front of each channel, which is descrambling. In the status area, you can notice that the adapter slot 0, adapter 60, and adapter 60 slot 1, it is the cams. Yeah, you have very advanced information such as the CIDs of the operator of the scrambling system, and you can have here, you can see here that one of each channel is added. In this situation, it was added Aerox and some other channel. It's pretty straightforward, simple. If your system is correctly configured and you have the proper license from of Kylone, it's right straightforward. I mean, there is not too many settings. It's made very simple and very easy to do this. The second thing which I want to present you, it's if you want to descramble channels with, let's say you don't have the CI cam, the conditional access module from the operator, but the operator allows you, once your license, distribution license is paid, allows you to use the softcam. For the softcam module, you have to contact the TBS team, and they will deploy the module for softcam descrambling. So once the softcam descrambling system is deployed on your Kylone machine, all you have to do is just to edit and fill in the CAA option, the conditional access option, like Connex or I don't know, via access, Video Guard Nagra. Yeah, you have to put hexadecimal CID, and then you can use either the protocol of NewCamD or the CS378X. Both, they are working very fine. As long as you have low timing on the ECM cards, like let's say maybe 100 milliseconds, not more than 200, yeah, it's going fine. So you can have your new CAMD server somewhere else, and you can just point your IP address and username and port and password and the scrambling key, save, apply. If you go to the status, you're gonna see that, for example, the softcam, the scrambling system is this one, pre-processing. Yeah, so you can see here 3 channels are descrambling with softcam. The hardware cam, of course, is much better because it's much more stable. It does not depend on network speed. So if you're a small operator and you are having a legit licensing on the content and you have a CI, I would highly advise you to go for using hardware descrambling with the TBS6900 system for descrambling. Pretty much this is it. Thank you very much. I wait for you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.